In this video, I'm going to make some delicious fire roasted salsa, all from fresh ingredients. And you can believe, guys, this one was seriously scrumptious and delicious. Guys, this video is only 3 minutes long. It is simple. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe. You know what's up. It's your boy, Saucy Rossi. So in this video, I'm going to be using the Black Earth Grill's Rome V2. This is a little backyard camping grill. It's perfect for simple little fires in your backyard, or if you're going to a campsite. It only weighs about 18 pounds and it takes about 20 seconds to actually set up. I've been really enjoying this grill in my backyard. I thought to myself, man, some fire roasted salsa right over that friggin' flame would be unbelievable. So I've got myself a nice little fire on the go. I'm going to go ahead, install that grill grate, and let's get some vegetables on there. So today I'm going to be using tomatoes, garlic, jalapeno peppers, and white onion. I'm using one jalapeno pepper. I shouldn't have said it plural. I'm slicing it in half and I'm kind of like removing the insides, just scooping out those seeds and the flesh. Then I'm going to put everything right over the fire. You can kind of notice my tomatoes aren't centered. They're a little bit over to the side. They're still getting that heat, but they're not directly in the flame. I want the onion, the garlic, and the jalapeno directly in the flame for now to start. I'm going to leave the garlic and onion in it basically the entire time. And my jalapenos, I'm going to move a little bit away from it here in just a moment. But it's all about fire management. Not having a crazy huge flame. You want it about an inch or two underneath those vegetables. You really want to build a coal bed and just let that heat do all the work. It's really simple, guys. And man, oh man, is it ever delicious. So after about 20-30 minutes, once things are looking, cooked down and proper, all you got to do is throw all of this into a blender together and just zip it up. And there you have it. Fresh, delicious, fragrant, fire roasted salsa that you made in your own backyard. You're going to taste that smoky flavor from the fire. Those fresh ingredients are just going to be phenomenal. If you just get yourself a bag of chips, I'm using these premium yellow corn tortilla chips from Compliments. They're just nice and thick, good for picking up some good old, salsa. Man, oh man, doesn't that look spectacular? Holy cow. Guys, this recipe was 3 minutes. Simple and delicious. Minimal work. You got to give it a try. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.